I'm Brian from iWire. This is our GC to GD connector bracket. We got Bucky Elastics car here, and we're going to show you how to install it real quick. It's pretty simple. Normally, there would be a bracket here if you had a GD model, but that bracket does not fit in a GC. So what ends up happening is the harness just ends up hanging around down here. The bracket for the boost controller, if you have one, is doing something like that. And more importantly though, it means that the wires are just hanging out and potentially can touch something hot and melt and cause some serious problems. So let's fix that. You're going to get two bolts. They'll go here, here. Certain models you could actually use this one. So we have bolt holes for all three. But generally these will be the two that we use. And then behind those there are rubber washers that will offset the back of the plate so that you don't scratch your paint. And then there are two nuts that will be for the boost controller. Yeah, so we're just going to screw them in, but the key to this step is do not over tighten them. You want to make sure, you want to make sure there's a little gap between the bracket and the strut tower. If you over tighten them, the back of those welds will hit the strut tower. That just means you're too tight. Back them off a little bit. From there, we can attach the boost controller. We have a cob in this case, but the stock boost controller will bolt in just the same. And we'll use our provided 11mm nuts. To secure the boost controller to our bracket. Next step will be to attach the body harness connectors to the bracket. Rear O2 probably should go at the bottom. Cam crank knock in the middle. And your secondary engine plug can go at the top. Depends on the harness, but you can always play with it to see which way is the nicest. If your clips are broken for any one of these plugs, let us know, we can supply replacements. Attach your engine connectors. And your O2 sensor.
Yeah, I get the trademark thumbs up. There it is. What do you think, Bucky? You like it?
I like it a lot.